I bought and tested these pre-built gaming PCs so you don't have to waste your hard-earned money. If you're like me, you want performance without the hassle of building your own rig. Let's dive into the top 5 options that will elevate your gaming experience. Product number 1, MSI Codex Z2 Gaming Desktop. When I first unboxed the MSI Codex Z2, I was struck by its simplistic yet modern design. It's a machine that screams performance while looking sleek on my desk. With an AMD Ryzen R7 8700F processor running at 4.1 GHz, I knew I was in for a treat. The first game I fired up was Cyberpunk 2077, and let me tell you, the graphics were stunning thanks to the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 570. The frame rate was buttery smooth, and I could feel the immersive experience as I roamed through Night City. Cooling was a big concern for me, especially during long gaming sessions. MSI has designed the Codex Z2 with not just 1, but 4 cooling fans. I found it fascinating how 3 fans in the front pull in cool air, while 1 at the back pushes out the heat. It kept the system cool even during intense gaming marathons. Plus, the RGB fan air cooler is not just functional, it adds a nice aesthetic touch. Pros: the performance is top-notch, and the RGB lighting is customizable through MSI Center software, allowing me to sync it with my gaming mood. On the downside, the price tag of $1,874.99 might be a bit steep for casual gamers. Also, while it offers great specs, it's a bit heavy, making it less portable. So why should you buy the MSI Codex Z2? If you're serious about gaming and want a RIM that's ready for VR and high-end graphics, this is it. The combination of power, cooling, and aesthetics makes it an excellent choice for gamers who want a reliable machine that stands out. Product number 2, CyberPower PC Gamer Extreme VR. I had high expectations when I set up the CyberPower PC Gamer Extreme VR. Priced at $989.99, it seemed like the perfect entry-level option. The Intel Core i5-13400F processor, with its 10 cores running at 2.5 GHz, paired with the GeForce RTX 5060, offered a solid foundation for gaming. My first experience was in Call of Duty Warzone. The graphics were impressive and the gameplay was responsive. I was pleasantly surprised to see how well it handled high settings. One key feature that stood out was the connectivity. With a variety of USB ports, including USB-C and USB-A options, I could easily connect my peripherals without any hassle. The RGB lighting added a nice flare, making my gaming station visually appealing. However, while it has a tempered side case panel that showcases the internals, I did notice that the fans could get a bit noisy during intense gameplay. The pros include great performance for the price, a solid warranty, and excellent tech support. The cons? While it's a fantastic entry point, hardcore gamers might find the RTX 5060 limiting for future-proofing needs. In summary, if you're looking for an affordable yet powerful gaming PC that won't break the bank, the CyberPower PC Gamer Extreme VR is an ideal choice. It offers enough power for current games and a good balance of features, making it a worthwhile investment for budding gamers. Product number 3, CyberPower PC Gamer Master. I tested the CyberPower PC Gamer Master, which comes in at a budget-friendly price of $719.99. When I powered it up for the first time, I immediately noticed the performance of its AMD Ryzen 5 5500 processor. Running at 3.6 GHz, this 6-core CPU delivered decent frame rates in games like Fortnite and Valorant, which was impressive for the price range. The Radeon RX 6400 GPU, while not the most powerful, handled 1080p gaming quite well. I was able to push through competitive matches with a smooth experience, although I did notice some dips in frame rates during crowded scenes. The 16 GB of DDR4 RAM ensured that multitasking was a breeze. I could stream while gaming without any hiccups. On the downside, the build quality felt a bit cheaper compared to more expensive models, and the RGB lighting, while customizable, wasn't as vibrant as I'd hoped. It's worth noting that the 500GB SSD is sufficient for a couple of games, but storage could become a concern as my library grows. So should you buy the CyberPower PC Gamer Master? If you're a casual gamer looking for an affordable option that doesn't compromise too much on performance, this is a great choice. It's perfect for those who want to dip their toes into the gaming world without spending a fortune. Product number 4. CyberPower PC Gamer Master with RTX 5060 Ti. The CyberPower PC Gamer Master with the AMD Ryzen 7 8700F and the GeForce RTX 5060 Ti is a remarkable mid-range gaming desktop priced at $1,189.99. When I first booted it up, I was immediately impressed by its performance capabilities. With the Ryzen 7's 8 cores running at 4.1 GHz, I could run multiple applications while gaming without a hint of slowdown. This was particularly beneficial during my testing of AAA titles like Assassin's Creed Valhalla, where the graphics were crisp and the gameplay was fluid. The RTX 5060 Ti is a powerhouse, and I was able to play games at high settings without any issues. I also appreciated the 1TB PCIe 4.0 SSD, which provided ample storage and fast load times. It felt great not having to deal with long wait times when launching games or transferring files. However, it's not without its downsides. The cooling system, while decent, could have been better optimized, as I noticed it getting a tad warm during extended sessions. Additionally, while the custom RGB lighting is a nice touch, it could be more extensive in terms of effects and customization. In conclusion, if you're looking for a gaming PC that balances power and price, the CyberPower PC Gamer Master with RTX 5060 Ti is worth considering. It's perfect for gamers who want a reliable machine that can handle most modern titles while providing room for future upgrades. Product number 5. CyberPower PC Gamer Extreme VR with an Intel i7. I had the pleasure of testing the CyberPower PC Gamer Extreme VR with an Intel Core i7-14700F processor. Priced at $1,359.99, this machine is designed for serious gamers. Right out of the box, I was impressed with the 20 cores running at 2.1 GHz and the 16 GB of DDR5 RAM, which made for an incredibly responsive experience. I dove into games like Cyberpunk 2077 and was blown away by the performance of the GeForce RTX 5060 Ti, which handled everything I threw at it with ease. The connectivity options are plentiful, with multiple USB-C and USB-A ports, allowing for seamless integration of all my gaming peripherals. The built-in Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.3 made connecting to the internet and other devices a breeze, eliminating any lag during online play. On the flip side, the price may deter some casual gamers, and while the RGB lighting is customizable, I found it somewhat basic compared to other models in the same price range. Additionally, the case is a bit bulky, making it less ideal for those who might want to move it around frequently. So why should you buy this beast of a machine? If you're serious about gaming, need high performance, and value reliability, the CyberPower PC Gamer Extreme VR with Intel i7 is a fantastic investment. It delivers on all fronts, ensuring that you can play the latest titles with confidence and style. In conclusion, whether you're a casual gamer or a hardcore enthusiast, there's a pre-built gaming PC on this list that fits your needs. From budget-friendly options to high-performance machines, investing in any of these PCs will elevate your gaming experience. Happy gaming!